Ever wonder what makes someone completely unforgettable? Is it their looks, their success, their charm? Well, it's actually much deeper than that. It's about psychology. Today, we re-diving into the secret psychological triggers that can make you the center of someone's world in a positive and healthy way. This isn't about manipulation. It's about understanding human connection on a profound level. We're about to unlock the obsession code, so get comfortable because you're not going to want to miss this. Let's start with trigger number 1. The mystery factor. Think about your favorite movie or book. What keeps you hooked? It's the suspense, right? The not knowing. The same principle applies to people. We are naturally drawn to those who don't lay all their cards on the table at once. When you maintain a little bit of mystery, you invite curiosity. Don't tell your life story on the first date. Share your passions, your dreams, your funny stories, but leave them wanting to know more. Let your personality unfold in layers, like a fascinating story. Each time they talk to you, they should feel like they're discovering a new, exciting chapter. This isn't about being secretive or dishonest. It's about pacing the revelation of you. Next up, trigger number 2. The glimmer of hope. This is a classic, and for good reason. It's the will they, won't they dynamic that fuels countless romantic stories. People are more invested when there's a sense of uncertainty mixed with possibility. When you're consistently available and predictable, the thrill can fade. But when you create a dynamic where your interest is clear, but not guaranteed, it sparks a powerful desire. It's like a challenging game they want to win. This means not always being the first to text, having your own busy, fulfilling life, and not making them the absolute center of your universe from day one. Let them feel that they have to put in a little effort, that your attention is a valuable prize to be earned, not a given. Now for trigger number 3, and this one is powerful, the shared vulnerability trigger. We often think that to attract someone, we need to present a perfect, flawless version of ourselves. But the opposite is often true. True connection is built in moments of shared vulnerability. When you have the courage to share a small, genuine insecurity, a past struggle you've overcome, or a quirky fear, you're not showing weakness. You're showing your humanity. It signals trust and creates a safe space for the other person to be vulnerable too. It's like saying, I see you, the real you, and I trust you enough to see the real me. This builds an incredibly deep and intimate bond that goes far beyond surface-level attraction. Moving on to trigger number 4, the roller coaster effect. Our emotions aren't always logical. We remember experiences that make us feel something intensely, whether it's exhilarating joy or even a touch of frustration. A relationship that is always calm and flat can become boring. The roller coaster effect is about creating a dynamic range of emotional experiences. This means planning exciting, novel dates, engaging in deep, thought-provoking conversations, and yes, even having healthy disagreements where you both feel passionate about your point of view. It's the peaks and valleys that make the journey memorable. It shows that you're not afraid of real, raw emotion, and that a life with you will be an adventure, not a monotonous routine. Trigger number 5 is one of my favorites, the hero instinct. This is especially potent, but applies to everyone in some way. People have an innate desire to feel needed, to feel like a hero. When you allow someone to help you, whether it's with a small task like opening a jar or by asking for their advice on a problem you're facing, you make them feel capable, important, and valued. It's not about being a damsel in distress. It's about recognizing their strengths and giving them the opportunity to use them for your benefit. When someone feels like they can make your life better, even in a small way, they feel more connected to you. They become invested in your happiness because they feel partly responsible for it. Let's talk about trigger number 6, the uniqueness factor. In a world where everyone is trying to fit in, dare to stand out. The uniqueness factor is about owning what makes you different. It's your quirky hobby, your unusual taste in music, your passionate opinion on a niche topic. These are not things to hide. They are the very things that make you irreplaceable. When you fully embrace your authentic self, you become a rare commodity. People are drawn to authenticity like moths to a flame. Don't be afraid to be a little weird. Don't dilute your personality to be more palatable. The right person won't just tolerate your quirks. They'll be obsessed with them because it's what makes you you. And finally, trigger number 7, the future glimpse. This is the trigger that cements a long-term bond. It's about subtly painting a picture of a future that includes them, without being overt or pushy. It can be as simple as saying, "Oh, you love hiking? There's this trail I've been wanting to try. We should go there this fall, or next time you have a stressful day. Just tell me, and I'll have your favorite pizza waiting for you. These small comments plant a seed. They allow the other person to visualize a future with you, to see you as a part of their life's ongoing story. It builds a sense of stability and shared destiny, making them feel that a future without you would be incomplete. So there you have it, the 7 psychological triggers of the obsession code: mystery, hope, vulnerability, the roller coaster, the hero instinct, uniqueness, and the future glimpse. Remember, the goal here isn't to play games. It is about understanding the deep-seated psychological drivers of human connection and using them to build more meaningful, passionate, and lasting relationships. It's about becoming the most compelling, authentic, and unforgettable version of yourself. When you master these principles, you don't just attract people. You create a bond that is truly magnetic. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. If you found this helpful, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe for more content on psychology and relationships, and share this video with someone who might need to hear it. Let me know in the comments which trigger you found most interesting. Until next time, stay curious and stay authentic.